Education is the foundation of a bright future, and Stranda School is dedicated to an exceptional educational experience. Stranda School was built in 1969 and later in 1984 underwent renovations to create space for additional classrooms, including a growing arts program. The school has recently renovated and expanded further to now feature a teacher's preparation area and 6 new all-purpose classrooms. Today's Stranda School is rather spacious, with room for just about every activity. It even features a gymnastics hall, swimming pool, and library. The school has roughly 20 teachers and around 180 attending students. Education is based on a 3-level system. The beginning level is comprised of grades 1 through 3, the middle level, grades 4 through 6, and the third or continuing level, grades 7 through 10. This structure allows both students and teachers the flexibility to adapt and organize lessons, making a more responsive education experience. In today's rapidly changing world, Stranda School's intent is on fostering an atmosphere of high academic achievement and overall student well-being.